Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. I gotta show an example. Get back. All right, cool. First of all, what up, guys? It's your boy Marketing with Dom. We're gonna tap into this. Okay, God. Okay, I gotta shoot the video. Guys, stop. Get out of here, dude. No, really. No, I gotta shoot it. All right, guys. We're gonna talk about this right now. First of all, welcome to Marketing with Dom. Listen, tap into me so I can do more and more tools. So guess what? That I can do more and more tools, and you guys can get all the things. So I'm giving you guys a free trial. Guess what? I white labeled GoHighLevel. So after this example, you can go down below, get 3 free months and training. I gotta do my training, dude. I gotta do my. Come on, man. See, this is the hardest thing about being a content creator while you have kids. Listen, I gotta shoot. Go now. Okay, guys, tap in. All right. First of all, before we get a minute in, let's actually go through this walkthrough situation. And I'm going to actually freeze this up. We're going to get it popping. Listen. Get off me. No, seriously, I got to shoot the video. Go. Now.
No.
What'd you say?
No.
Squat now.
What are you doing?
Because I'm trying to shoot the video. You try. Come on, give me a hug. Come on. All right, go. Go, I gotta shoot the video. Alright, cool, let's get into this. First of all, we're gonna do a complete walkthrough of this situation right now. We're gonna go all over what this actually thing is capable of. Let's get right into it. I know it's already been a minute, so I'm sorry for taking so much of your time. But, you know, when you be an entrepreneur doing content, your kids be on you, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into this. Share my screen, we're gonna actually do a full walkthrough in this process. I'm gonna be doing a few of these videos of the overall walkthrough of what GoHighLevel can do for you. I white labeled it into Expert Marketly. Tap in, like I said, I'm gonna give you guys 3 free months. Thanks for actually, you know, paying attention and listening to me. What happened to my video? What on my face? It disappeared. Come back. Hold on. Oh, come back. Bam, I'm back, baby. Hold on. Alright, whatever. Let's get into it. So, 2 for 2, one things I want to talk about this is the GoHighLevel platform. We're actually going to do a complete walkthrough of everything that it offers. And I think if you're in any business and you're trying not to have to content or, you know, software stack too much, this is the best platform for you to ever get into. Okay, so we're going to talk about one. You have your overall dashboard where you can create it and readjust it as you want. Conversations between you and all of your clients that you can have inside your system, completely having communications on that side. Your calendar that can book out a calendar system for you and do really good follow-up. Check this out. You already know I'm hot in the business. Okay, secondly, contacts. All your contact information. Actually, I'm not going to show that because we're on live right now. Low-key, I don't want to be just sharing all my contact information from my clients. So don't judge me. This is probably going to show some of them too. But here's an actual walkthrough process that you can actually walk people through called opportunities. And this is how we do our sales process. Booking appointments, contact and set appointments for the week. Then you move them down the process based off of those situations and, you know, based off of bookings. So we're here. Appointment set. You see how this automatically set an appointment? June 21st right here. Bam, it's there. You'll catch it. You know, all right, go lay down. I'll be right in there. Let's go. Come on. Give me 10 minutes. I'm about to be quick on the video. I promise. Go sit down. I got you. What did I say? How many times? How many times should I have to tell you? All right, go sit down. Let me do this. Finish it out. All right, cool. So then you have any sort of payments that actually come all the way through your brand and your systems. Estimates, documents, orders, subscription, payment links, transactions, products, coupons, gift cards, settings, and integrations that you can create with it. Then you have AI Studio. I'm not going to tap on AI Studio right now. Hold on, I may have to double this up so you can see it. I'm going to tap on it, and you can actually vibe code websites inside the system as well right now. I use it all the time for clients, bro. It's lit, okay? And bam, you click on it, vibe code. You can literally build out web pages by vibe code. And guys, check this out. I updated my Marketing with Dom page. Next level vibe codes. We out here. That's me. We out here. Let's go. We out here. All right. So I know I'm a little bit too crazy sometimes on these videos, but I hope you guys love and understand it. You can actually create AI agencies in here, voice, conversation, your base, your agency templates, as well as content. One thing that's really cool is now this popped up. You can actually just have a full conversation with your AI, and it will build a bot for you. It's powerful, guys. I'm telling you. That's why you're here. See the power, okay? Marketing, right? You can have your social medias, email snippets where like you need to be able to put out certain things inside the system. Planning, content planners, right? It's got the whole thing on here. I'm about to have to update this and add all my other platforms again because it all jumped out. Why? Because these connections be expiring. Why do they do expire on all platforms? It really keeps it from you actually getting hijacked from some of the softwares that are not as secure. So, yeah, project, use it to your advantage, right? Got all the connections there. Automations, full-bled automations throughout the process. One thing I'll tell you about using this software, automations, it's really powerful. Like, I put myself in folders, and then from there I go deeper and deeper into each automations, systems, social media, in-person networks, built these all out, and I'll be training on these as well. Like, when you get into the system and you're working with me on my white label version, I'll actually be training every Tuesday at 10 o'clock. Come catch me, and I go. It's all about implementation, so you'll have it. Sites. You have everything you need in here. Funnels, sites, stores, webinars, analytics. You can even move your WordPress in here. Your client portal, so if someone's going on the back end. Let's exit out of this real quick. Chat, queues, all the above in the system overall. You got memberships. No, let me finish the video. Come on, buddy. Go, so I can finish the video. Alright, go lay down. I'll be in there in a little bit. Go. I'll be back. We're going to shoot this video. Let me cack it. Go. I'll be back. Give me finish. Give me 5 minutes. We out here. We already 6 minutes in the video. I said this was going to be a 10-minute video. And we out. Okay? So you have all your membership backend systems that are in here that you can actually use. Your media storage, reputation marketing. Reputation marketing I think is underrated, but for small local businesses, fire. Be able to SEO process that. Reporting. All sorts of reporting that's happening through your system that you can be able to map out and report. Agency reports, lead market audits, local market, like fire reporting, okay? You can check competition. You can even have your mobile app that's on your phone that you can actually connect right into the CRM so you can communicate with customers when you're on the run if you're not in the space. Now, this is a quick overview. I wish I could do it a lot longer, and I am going to shoot a lot longer videos, but if you want to get in and actually test the system, you're going to get 3 months for free, guys. 3 months. If you can't get through this system and learn it in 3 months without feeling like it's burning through your pocket and capital, after that, it's $97 a month. I give away my full system for $97. All of my plus and upgraded tools are going to be in there. So, listen, lock in, get it done. Listen, keep following this page because I'm going to be giving away so much edge on the GoHighLevel platforms as well as automations, AIs, tools, and pieces of this. And I'm going to be giving away my white label version away for 3 months for the summer. I'm going to be releasing videos hopefully almost every single day. And I'm going to really go over certain parts of the business, certain parts of the GoHighLevel accounts, certain parts of why you should white label it, maybe why you should get it from GoHighLevel. But you're going to get it from me. Why? Because you're going to get 3 months for free. And you're going to learn how to actually run the system, and we're not charging any more of a price than they are. And that's my special offer, is I want people to actually get in the system, learn, build, so they can get to the point of actually succeeding in the marketplace. So thank you guys so much for being patient with me. I know my kids are wilding out. They're doing their thing. They're always going to be doing their thing. And that's the life of an entrepreneur who works from home. With 2 young, beautiful kids. And when I shoot at night, sometimes it's the best time to be able to do it. So make sure you comment down below if you guys have any more questions, anything you guys want me to go over exactly. Like, subscribe, share the video. Appreciate it. And, if anybody else needs a platform where they can get their website back in automations for free, share the video for them. Give them an opportunity too. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.